Good morning students, myself Gaurav Kumar Singh, and in today's class we are going to start a new chapter, Basic Geometrical Concepts. And we will start this chapter from this point, plane. What is a plane? Normally students, in our daily life we come across so many things which are very good examples of planes. And in mathematics, in the language of mathematics, any surface which is flat and smooth and can extends endlessly in all the direction is called a plane or is called a plane. Okay, students. For an example, this board has a smooth and flat surface, and in all the directions it can extend endlessly. That is why it can be taken as a very good example of plane. You can also take some more examples like this chalk box. The front face of this box has a smooth and plain surface, and in all the directions it can extend endlessly. So it can be taken as a very good example of a plane. Okay. This wall, the front face of your door, the front face of anything which is flat can be taken as example of plane. So that is plane. And when we plot anything, any figure on a plane, like this triangle, okay, this circle, this square, so such figures which can be drawn on a flat or which can be drawn on a plane are known as plane figures. So student, this is all about plane and plane figures. What is plane? A plane is a smooth and flat surface which can extend from all the direction endlessly. And what are the plane figures? Plane figures means all the figures which can be drawn on a plane surface. Now we will talk about point. What is the point? Actually, point is a mark of position. If you make a dot with the help of a sharp edge pencil on your copy, as I as I am making here a dot with the help of this chalk, then this will be an example of a point. A point has no length, no breadth, and no thickness. That is, it is a kind of shape which doesn't contain any length, any breadth, and any thickness. That is the point. Now we will talk about line segment. What are lines? What is line segment? As we have discussed, what is a point? Suppose that we have taken 2 points on this plane, and the name of these points are A, B. Then the straight path between these 2 points, is known as line segment. Students, I am talking about the straight path. There are also these 2 points, and this is also the path between these 2 points. But this is not a straight path, so it cannot be taken as an example of line segment. A straight path is like this, which is example of a line segment, and in particular in this example line segment will be denoted as line segment AB, or you can also write this as line segment BA. Okay students, in a line segment, as you can see clearly here, in a line segment, in any line segment there are two endpoints. In this particular example, two endpoints are A and B. Okay, and the distance between these 2 points is known as the length of the line segment. What is the length of line segment AB? What is the length of this line segment AB? The straight path between these 2 points, the distance between these 2 points is actually called the length of the line segment. And the length of any line segment is always definite. That is, it can be measured with the help of scale. As an example, the edge of this board, this one, is a very good example of line segment. The edge of your scale is a very good example. The edge of this D, you can see here, the edge of this D is a straight path, so it is a very good example of a line segment. So student, this is all about plane